When making a tiara, use a good quality tiara base that is flexible. This will ensure a higher degree of comfort for the wearer. Some tiara bases are patterned along the outside, and this adds extra detail to your design. Select a piece of pre-decorated jewellery wire. In this example, the wire is decorated with small faux pearls, which are easy to position into different designs. Place the jewellery wire against the tiara base and wrap around neatly, pulling firmly as you do so. Next, take a pair of wire cutters as shown here and cut the excess wire. Now take a pair of flat nose pliers and squeeze the wrapped wire to give a neater finish. You may now position the decorated jewellery wire into place. The wire will remain slightly loose in order for you to position your end design. Watch now as the tiara is completed and the design begins to take shape. This tiara is a simple design and can be made quite quickly with very little skill. The wrapping technique is repeated with other pieces of jewellery wire and slowly the design begins to take shape. Many tiaras have centre focal points. This design will have one main jewellery wire branch as the main focal point, so that the design is raised in the middle. It will then taper towards the outer edges, creating an almost triangular effect. When creating your tiara design, it may appear that your work becomes a little untidy as the work progresses. It is important to remember that as long as the wire wrapping is not pulled too tightly, you will always be able to adjust your design at the end. Now we can see the middle section of the tiara. With the addition of a few more jewellery wire branches either side, the design will become more apparent. This design uses pearl spray jewellery wire and silver for the main middle focal point, and then alternates between this and white and silver ball clover wire. The jewellery wire is available from our tiara making section of the EP Beads shop. Finally, the last piece of jewellery wire is added to complete the halfway point of the tiara's creation. Please watch the second part of our tiara making presentation to see this design's completion. The tiara is being moulded into place, ready for the last two sections of jewellery wire and its next stage of decoration. Go to the second part of our presentation to see the amazing transformation.